Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Jini. Today I'm going to share with you our mini catalog pre-order for the holidays. This catalog is chock full of new products that you're going to fall in love with. So let me start by sharing our first new kit. Since this is for our August kit sale, it's an adorable little kit that makes tags. And it's got these fun colors that are a little more contemporary for the holidays. This kit is on sale currently during the month of August, along with our other kits. So it's a great deal. The next item I have is this beautiful designer series paper from our Merry, Bold, and Bright Sweet collection. It has a coordinating ribbon along with some of these fun dots that are self-sticking. This kit is bright and cheerful and uses contemporary colors and bold patterns, has a matching stamp set and dies, so I think you'll enjoy this suite. Next, I have some of the products from Oh Holy Night. It's a suite collection that has this beautiful designer series paper, a stamp set with lovely sentiments, and a set of dies that coordinate with this group of sentiments. It gives you a beautiful nativity scene that you can build. And then there's this gorgeous Night of Navy ribbon that has this beautiful gold sparkle attached to it that you can use with this suite. The next suite we have in our mini is this adorable Berry Christmas that comes with a stamp set and punch, along with this beautiful designer series paper, a snowflake sky embossing folder, these adorable little glittered sequins, and a beautiful balmy blue sparkle ribbon that's got this fine little sparkle on it. This suite is going to be a lot of fun to work with. The next suite in the mini catalog is the Joy of Christmas, and it's got a wonderful musical theme that is built into the designer series paper. We've got a specialty paper and a regular paper. Then we have a coordinating ribbon done with a buffalo check, and it's a soft, very vanilla. And then, of course, a stamp set and coordinating dies. You're really going to enjoy working with this bundle because this has some wonderful frames in it that give you a beautiful backdrop for these lovely sentiments. And there's also some additional accessories and a second bundle that goes with this suite. The next suite in this mini catalog calls to me as a Midwest girl who grew up with lots of snow. The Winter Meadow Suite Collection contains not only this specialty paper with these beautiful foil accents, but it also has a soft watercolored pack. The stamp set has beautiful images and greenery and a coordinating set of dies. It also has these beautiful little embellishments and a lovely white ribbon that's sheer and has this beautiful edge of silver on it. I can't wait to get started with this beautiful set of products, and I think you'll really enjoy them. And if you love snowflakes and that suite, you'll love the Sparkling Snowflake stamp set and its coordinating tag topper punch. This actually punches this beautiful snowflake onto your tags, making it quick and easy to add that festive feel. And as we move through the mini catalog, we've got this beautiful autumn suite called All About Autumn. It's got this gorgeous 6x6 designer series paper with scenes built right into it in a fantastic bundle with autumn leaves and a coordinating die set that has labels. In addition to that, we have a embossing folder that has this lovely distressed look and a pack of ribbon. The ribbon actually has copper and then a kind of a natural burlappy feel ribbon, along with these lovely little adhesive speckled back dots. Can you see the little speckle in those dots with the soft autumn colors? A lot of fun. There's also a foil pack that goes with this that is copper, pretty peacock, and would bring a little bit of that metallic feel to your projects. Speaking of fall, there's always the sunflowers, and the Abundant Beauty decorative masks will build scenes for you with lovely sunflowers and different patterns. This works great with our embossing paste, and I can't wait to give it a try. When you have images like this, a stamp set with great sentiments is always helpful. And so we have the So Sincere with these all occasions sentiments that can be coordinating with our decorative mask backgrounds. Next, if you love a more traditional fall look for Halloween and Thanksgiving, we've got the Pick of the Patch with this fun little coordinating punch. Since you can build your pumpkins the way you want it, you can use it either for Halloween or for the fall holidays. And moving on to a more all occasions look, we've got this beautiful pack of paper from the Garden Walk suite. It's not only got beautiful florals, but it's got florals that will work for the holiday season. Along with the bundle of products, which includes a punch, we have these lovely accent pieces that you can use to coordinate this beautiful Calypso coral ribbon. And I don't know if you can see the shimmer on these pearls, but they're just lovely with the 4 different colors. Another great stamp set that's filled with sentiments is the More Wishes. You'll love the combination of these bold sentiments with this cute little font. And of course, if you're looking for another great sentiment set, here is a set called Throughout the Year. It's got sentiments that cover the fall holidays and spring. And you want to be sure not to miss out on the deckled circle dies. They're tucked up in the corner of the page and are easy to miss, but these are going to be one of those things that you reach for over and over again. And of course, we've also got some treat boxes. These are called our nested treat boxes and should make little treats quick and easy during the holiday season. And of course, if you are interested in making holiday treats, this great pack of paper called Them Bones not only coordinates with the suite of products that it comes with, but our individual sentiment sets that can be teamed up with the Designer Series paper. And of course, if you love Designer Series paper, Stampin' Up! Has given us a beautiful pack of paper to make a difference. This happens to be a pack that they'll donate $3 to charity when you purchase this pack of paper, filled with lovely images that work with other products in the catalog and can be teamed up with the Berry Christmas Sweet products that has a stamp set and a easy to use punch. You can make a difference when you purchase this pack of paper and create beautiful products. And of course, you might have already seen our translucent florals bundle that was part of our Creativity Now product purchase premiere. This stamp set has some beautiful sentiments that can be used year-round along with a lovely set of dies. I hope you've enjoyed the mini catalog pre-order sneak peek. This catalog will go live on September 6th. And of course, if you'd like products like this before the catalog goes live, you can pre-order them like I did when you join my team. Not only can you join and create your own starter kit, you can add these new products to it. And of course, if you don't already have a demonstrator and would like a copy of this catalog, email me your name, address, and phone number, and I'll be happy to mail you one. And of course, if you have any questions, I'm here to help. Thanks for joining me.